Okay, here we go, guys. Learn how to solve the Rubik's Cube. Okay, the first thing you're going to learn is the notation for the side. The side facing you is called the front. The side on the top is the top, and the side on the bottom is the bottom. On the front face, this is the left side, this is the right side, the top side, and the bottom side. And when I say just turn the left side once, it means to turn it clockwise like this. And when I say left inverted, it means turn it like this, counterclockwise. And the same for the top, top inverted, and same for the right inverted, and same for the bottom. Right, bottom inverted. So, first thing you need to do is mix up the cube. Okay, now that you have your cube all mixed up, you have to find one side of your choice. Well, I'm just going to start with green, because that's what you usually should start with. So here we got the green side. You know it's the green side because the center is green. Green. And now you have to solve these 4 center pieces on the green side. And first you have to find them. We have one already found right here in position. So we would just turn that to match up with the red side. See? Now you have it all right there. Okay, let's find the side. Here's the green-orange side. So first you want to have the green side opposite of this green side. So all you have to do is turn it once this way. So see, top is the green side, bottom is the green piece. And now you have to match up the orange side with the orange side, right there. And then all you have to do is flip it over and it will line up. So you do that with the rest of the pieces until you have the entire cross on the top of the cube set up. Here's a place where you might get confused. If the green side, green piece, is already on the bottom and it doesn't line up with the yellow, all you have to do is match up this yellow side with this yellow side like this so it matches up, then twist it to the top and replace the orange and green piece that you displaced by doing that. And then you will have the top cross solved, which is the first step to solving the Rubik's Cube. Next, you have to solve these 4 corner pieces here. All you have to do is find the corner piece. You see this one is green, red, white, and then you have to find the 3 corresponding sides, green, red, white. And you take that and you put it under the side here, and you want to get it up to here. And now here's the first algorithm you need to learn to do that, which is right inverted, down inverted, right, down. Now that one got it up there in 1 step, but sometimes it might take 3 or 4 steps. See, right inverted, down inverted, right, down, right inverted, down inverted, right, down, down inverted, right, down. And now it got to the right place. And sometimes you'll have a situation where the bottom, the green piece, will be on the bottom opposite of the green side. In that case, you can just skip doing it twice and just do it right inverted, down inverted, right inverted, down, and that'll get it so you only have to do it 1 more time to get the piece in the place you need it. And using those algorithms, just solve the first top of the side. And the key to this form of solving the Rubik's Cube is to get these little T's here to line up.